Today I collected a lot of vegetables and now I am waiting for my customers to arrive. Assalamu alaikum ma'am, how are you?
Walaikum assalam. I am fine. You?
I am also fine. How can I help you?
I want to buy some vegetables.
What type of vegetable do you want?
I want to buy some carrot. Do you have carrot?
Yes, I have the best quality carrots. Have a look.
How much?
This is 38 taka per kg.
Its price is too high.
So how much price do you want?
Okay, give me.
Okay, here we go. Anything else?
I want to buy some capsicum. Do you have capsicum?
I'm sorry, but I do not have any capsicum.
It is very bad for me because capsicum is my favorite vegetable.
Okay, do you want anything else?
I want to buy broccoli. Do you have broccoli?
Yes, I have the best quality broccoli.
How much?
This is 35 taka per broccoli.
Okay, give me.
Okay, here we go. Anything else?
No, that's okay. Tell me how much. Tell me total much all vegetables.
Oh, how are you, sir?
And why?
Please wait a few minutes while I give this customer some vegetables.
Okay.
Okay, the total price is 90 taka.
Okay. 100 taka.
Here is written 10 taka.
Okay.
And here is the vegetables.
Okay. See.
Sir, how are you, sir? Do you want anything else? Anything
I'm
else?
fine.
What type of vegetable do you want?
Actually, I want to buy some sweet potatoes.
Yes, I have some big sweet potatoes. Do you want it?
How much?
This is 45 taka.
Actually, it is so high.
Because this is very big and that is why it is so high.
I want to give 40 taka sweet potatoes.
Okay, here we go. Anything else?
I want to buy some mushroom.
No,
Do
sir,
you
I
have
don't-
mushroom?
No, sir, I don't have any mushroom.
Oh, so bad because mushroom is my favorite vegetable.
Anything else?
I want to buy some chili. Do you have chili?
Yes, I have some chili. These are 40 taka per kg.
Okay, give me 2 kg chili.
Okay, here we go. And anything else?
I want to buy some lemons. Do you have lemons?
Yes, I have some lemons.
How much the price of lemons?
The price of lemons are 55 taka per kg.
Okay, give me half kg lemons.
Okay, here we go. Anything else?
No. How much the price of my all vegetables?
Your total vegetable price is 230 taka.
Okay, give you 2030 taka.
And here is your vegetables.